What's up, YouTube fam? It's the Three-Wheel Traveler back again with another video. So what I want to do today, I want to show you how to repair a snap from off of one of your jacket or pants. My situation is on my Can-Am Cavalier set, one of the snaps that supports the lower leg inside of the pants has evidently it broke off. And here it is. And it's supposed to match, snap onto the liner portion. So let's see if we can get this done. All right, let's see if we can get this done. So I've located the repair kit that normally comes with each of your items, your jacket and your pants, and I've matched the two pieces that needed to be repaired. So this snap should fit over this, and this little piece here is a kit that I got off of eBay because of another snap. What I'm looking, it appears as if what I have to do is put the little plastic washer in there, set this on top of the little stainless steel cap, put the snap piece over there, take this punch, and with the hammer, I should be able to fix this. It's feeling a little loose. First attempt, unsuccessful. All right. Looks like it worked. The test is when we snap these two together, does it work? It does. What about pull apart? It works. All right. That's it for that project. Again, this is Three-Wheel Traveler. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you got any suggestions or any comments, please leave them below. Enjoy your day.